Good morning, traders. Hope you guys are all having a great one. Today's video, we're going to be doing a quick price action pre-market price review, kind of going over the indexes, Mag 7, and the stocks I'm holding, kind of see how they're moving, what my plan is going into today's session. If you guys appreciate this content, please like, subscribe, comments always greatly appreciated, and I'll also be leaving a free Discord in the comment section. So let's get into it. So Apple's not doing too bad pre-market. Looks like we're still in a range. In my opinion, it looks like we're basing for a move upward. If we do move upward, I would expect more. I would expect a move. Let's just see on hourly. Once we get above 196, if we can get an hourly or 4 hour or daily close above 196 or all of those, then we could definitely get more upside on Apple. But so far, it's kind of just staying within the range, basing for a move upward. It looks like. Microsoft not doing half bad, starting to sell off a little bit pre-market. Nothing bad there though. I'm expecting a move to. It looks like it wants to test 462. What I would also expect is if Microsoft really starts to sell, what you could get is a gap fill trade on. Let's see, what was the close at 420. So I'd watch 420 on Microsoft, and then on the upside, if we can break to the upside, you would have to get above 403 to get to push up, break the pre-market high, and I would expect 404 and 405 to come along. As you guys know, I got into this trade at 388, I believe. I could be wrong. I believe it was 388. I entered on this trade right here. What I'm doing right now is I'm letting it go to as far as Microsoft wants to go, using the 5 EMA as a gauge of strength of buyers. If 5 EMA breaks down, then I'll get out of it. Once I make 2R on the trade, then I'll cut half the position. But so far, I haven't made 2R yet. Once I'm up 4%, then I'll do that. And then let me just see for a second. What would be considered 2R? So I would have to let it go to at least 404 to cut half the position. NVIDIA, as you guys know, I cut half my position right over here. Pre-market, we're at 604 apparently. Let's see. Yeah, so we're at 604. Kind of the same deal with Microsoft. We might sell off. We might get a gap fill trade on NVIDIA. So I still have my position. I'm just letting the rest ride right now. I'm going to let NVIDIA go as far as it wants to go. Once the 5 EMA breaks down, then I'll be getting out of NVIDIA 100%. Meta is not looking half bad. We're able to barely stay above all-time highs at 384.33. You got some decent volume coming in, but not enough where I'm interested. If we continue to push up on Meta, then I might consider getting into them. Pre-market, we're at 388. If we can hold above 390, so like it closed at 391 with high volume, then I might be interested in starting to position Meta. Tesla, let's see how we're doing. I know that they have earnings today, but is it aftermarket? Yeah, so Tesla has earnings aftermarket. Pre-market, we're trading at 212. So where does that put us? That puts us right here. So it's still an inside candle. I would just expect a lot of volatility on Tesla. I don't think it's going to move any type of certain way, just due to the fact that earnings is this afternoon and nobody really wants to be in that. Google, not looking half bad. We got a daily level at 147.50. Pre-market, we're at 148.20, so that puts us right around here. Once we can clear this high right here, above 148.39, then you can get more of a push to the upside at 150 and 151.55 on Google. Once you break all-time highs on Google and you get a daily or weekly close with decent volume, I might consider getting into them. Amazon, not looking half bad either. Above 157, we're at 157.23 roughly. 157-ish. If you can get above 157 and get a close above that with heavy volume, I might be interested in Amazon. We might get a push back down to 151 if we can't get above 157 within the next coming weeks. That's at least what I'm watching there. SPX and the NASDAQ. Bullish close yesterday, as I went over in yesterday's video. Once you clear 15, we'll call that, let's see, what was the high? 15,438. Once you can clear that, on the NASDAQ, then you can continue to get a push upwards. I kind of look at the hourly for an intraday idea to see if we're going to end up continuing to push up. If we can clear that high with good momentum, then there's a good chance that the NASDAQ will rally, leading to QQQ rallying as well. And then SPX, let's see how we're moving. So SPX, let's see. If you can get above 48.68 on SPX, and you can continue to rally, and I would not be shocked if we close at 4,900 or at least somewhere around there by the end of the week. But if we reject 48.68, then I think that you can expect more consolidation, and then you can get a little bit more bearish price action if you get a below 48.44 on SPX. So that's what I'm looking at for the Mag 7. And personally, the stocks that I'm holding and that I'm watching at the moment. So right now, I got, as you guys know, NVIDIA, Microsoft, DEC. They're not doing half bad. I don't know what they're doing pre-market. I think they're kind of just staying still at the moment. I sold 7% of the position off, took some profit. But Bears are coming back into the market. It looks like on deck. So I'm just being careful. There's a little bit of weakness I'm not liking. Apple. As you guys know, I got Apple. My main target that I'm going to be watching is 196, 197, 198. I'm considering selling half at 197 just because it looks like this is a major level, just like 198 is as well. So I might sell 25 here and 25 here and just let the rest of it run. I haven't decided that yet. I have to see how how Apple's moving intraday to decide that. So we're at 195.37. As long as we can clear above this high at 190, so we have to clear above 196 to get more bullish price action or get more of a bullish move. Until you clear that high, I'm expecting consolidation. Snow, as you guys know, I got in that position yesterday. Pre-market, we're trading upwards, it looks like. Let's see where we're at exactly. That Snow's not doing half bad. We're at 210. I bought them yesterday around 205, I believe I bought them at. Something like that. 205, 206. I know I bought it somewhere around there. So overall, not bad. Pre-market, where are we up by? Yeah, we're up by 2.21%. I'm running a 5% stop. So as long as it moves up another 2.25%, then I'll set my stop to break even. I might take some profit off of Snow. I just have to see how it's starting to move. So that's what I'm going to be watching for today.